Lightning Arcade, June 27th, 2012. 1990 Funhouse, Williams. 1989 Earthshaker, Williams. The Pat Lawler Duo. 1992 Data East, Hook. 1997 Williams, Junkyard. 1991 Bally, Addams Family. 1993 Williams, Star Trek, The Next Generation. 2010 Stern, Iron Man. 2011 Stern, Tron. 1992 Williams, Fishtails. 1994 Midway, Cruisin', USA, Sit Down. 1996 Capcom Empress Candy Cab from Japan, even has the 100 yen. Beautiful game. And then my Thomas Wave Sit Down SD Cab 2004, currently running the Naomi 2 software with Dead or Alive 2. That is Lightning Arcade.